Hello, Mr. Dowse here, and this is the solution to Python Task 10. This is very similar to something you did earlier on where we looked at these escape characters. So what did you think was going to be printed when I assigned the value hello/world into test 1, hello/n new world into test 2, and hello/new world in test 3? Well, the first thing I did was I tried to trick you by using single quotes to see whether you think that that wouldn't work. But as we discussed recently in a previous solution, we can use single quotes if we want. And because after the slash comes a non-escape character, a capital W, this will literally just print out exactly what I've asked it to print. Hello/W world. This one, hello/n new world, will write hello on one line. This creates a new line, /n, as we've discussed before, and new world will then be printed underneath it. This one, did you get this one right? Well, we're going to have hello on the first line, and then we've got /n. Now, this is confusing because it looks like it says /new, but Python sees this as an escape character followed by new line. So that's going to make it do a new line. So on the following line, on the next line down, it's going to put hello world. Okay, let's have a look. Let's run this code and see if I'm right. So, hello/world, that's what it's written. That escape character was ignored because it wasn't a genuine escape character, so it's just written it as it was. Hello and then new world on two different lines, and you can see that's true because that's got the capital N. And then finally, hello and world on two separate lines. And why is that? Because we've got hello on one line, the /n, well, that gives us a new line, and then missed it, world on line 3. So they're my outputs, and that's what you should have explained in your ePortfolio as to why they were the outputs. That's task 10 done. Thanks for watching.